Does not record you. Kwa hivi. Don't let them know you're coming to switch off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All those good things. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Nicola Bimo, in case you forgot. And this is a very interesting video. It's practically my maintenance morning routine. I do this every Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. But recently it's been Tuesday or Wednesday. So today I've done it on a Tuesday. I don't have my phone to... Where's my device? Oh, my phone is charging. I hope you enjoy the video. It's a very nice video. I very much enjoyed recording it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, that my future is so bright. I have a light, guys. I have a light. Wow. Okay, Nina shout. What? Okay, but naturally, I look good. Clog it. Disclaimer, this intro was taken at the end of the video. That's how my skin is looking. Mwah. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm not gonna talk for a while in the beginning. Yeah, I look good. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm supposed to post it December. Isn't it not January? No, I rebuke. It'll be posted by December, before Christmas. Yeah, because y'all like my maintenance vlog when I'm yapping a lot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Mwah. Bye. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, it's currently 9:51. It's night. Welcome to my nighttime routine. Does not record you. Anyways, I put the serum, I took photos, I rubbed, can't do it again. Then I put moisturizer, then I rubbed, then I found I almost fell asleep. Hey! What the hell? I've checked if it was recording. But it was blinking, not everything was blinking. The devil is a liar. Anyway, as you can tell, I promise I've moisturized. Let me just do it again because I feel like I'm tricking you guys. I've done this times. I guess you never know. I just move my earrings right now. It's not recording. Dry. Wow, I almost fell asleep the second time in a row. Moisturizer. It best be recording. Cause yeah, I can do this for that time. Let nighttime glow. Also then it has gone in my hair. I am unable. And now my hair's got a little bit. It's so cold. And my eyebrows are eating it down. And I can't decide. No, for real, I can't decide when I can tell that. Oh yeah, this is like the brown part. Yeah, I'm sticking on myself. Anyways, opening lip balm with oily hands should be legal. Anyways, lip balm. Yeah, it's not even soaking. Our lips are dry. Getting to eat me. I actually can't feel anything. It's not so dry.
Jesus!
What's that?
That what just happened right now? Did I hear you? Mwah?
Okay, feel it. Bye. I'm gonna change. Thanks so much for watching. Until the end. Good night. Let me show you what made me jump. See, it touched my leg, so I thought it was alright. Wait, and it. Wow. Sorry. Yes. I am going to eat. Bye. Who's telling me business? Okay, I'm seriously going to eat. Bye. Kwaheri. Don't let them know you're coming to switch off. This is so much fun, you have no idea. I'm sitting in the focus. Okay, I'm normal. Bye. Bye. Oh, this light is bright. We're about a good baby. This light is bright. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all those good things. I'll see you next time. Bye! And in case I don't see you again, in case it's the last video of the year, Happy New Year! But this video I made for laugh. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be one of my last videos for the year because it's so funny. Okay, for real, guys. Bye! Bye! Okay, YouTube is so much fun. This is gonna go in bloopers. Okay, seriously. I'm going to eat. I'm going to film it falling asleep. I'm going to put this as bloopers so you don't know. Bye!